watched a movie with my little cousins. It's about two puppies who get separated from their mother and go on a big adventure to get back home. It teaches kids to read maps and what to do if they get lost. Yeah, well, I wasn't the intended audience, but my cousins loved it. Whether it's a movie or a research paper, it's important to consider your audience. People react to things in different ways. So, the more you tailor your information to respond to audience values, beliefs, and concerns, and age, the better your work will be. This movie worked because little kids fear getting lost and can relate to the puppies in their situation. Trying to teach kids by using long, complicated, detailed instructions about maps that are drawn to scale would be too hard, and therefore meaningless for kids that age. As I was saying, thinking about your audience as you draft a research project is critical. Take Miles, for instance. Miles has been researching and planning a project about the effects of frequent, read excessive, cell phone use, particularly on teens. His claim is that teens should use their phones less than they do. Let's see how he's doing. With the right evidence, this could be a convincing argument if Miles's audience were adults. I can see my mom nodding in agreement. Many adults, especially parents of teens, might have similar beliefs and concerns. They might consider driving and texting, for instance, and readily connect Miles's argument. But Miles's audience isn't adults. Miles's audience is other teens, and they are unimpressed. Most likely they consider their phone use neither excessive nor rude, nor antisocial, nor unsafe. With these ideas, Miles will have difficulty winning over his audience. So, what can Miles do? Miles has to adapt his claims and reasoning to impress his audience. Miles should ask himself, who is my audience? And what are their values, beliefs, and concerns? This information will help Miles put his information together in a way that is right for his audience. Let's see how Miles is doing now that he has thought more about his audience. See, Miles connected to his audience members by considering their concerns and values. The evidence from his research will focus on these as well. So when you're drafting a research project, consider your audience. Understanding what your audience believes and values can make the difference between a convincing argument and one that falls flat. Don't want that. See you soon.